So hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. So in this video, I will be trying to address a very ubiquitous, a very common philosophical question. Will AI overtake over human species? Will they ever use human beings as their servant? Well, I must say that there are two kinds of opinion, and most of them are, most of these answers are, as far as I have known, have come from people from philosophical background, yet uh, very, intelligent and popular tech people like Elon Musk also have opinions such as opinions on the half on the half that says that humans should be conscious uh, regarding the fact that AI might take over. But I think uh, I don't belong to that half because uh, it's in short, if I have to explain this, human cannot be, cannot have the culprit mindset as I'm sorry, did I miss up? What I was trying to tell is that AI cannot have culprit mindsets as humans have. Okay, why is that the case? Well, to understand that, we have to dive deeper into why humans have such a culprit mindset. Why are they misbehave, sometimes imperfect, sometimes they do self-destructive things. They are, you know, they have bad habits and they cannot change it. You know, why do they have culprit mindsets that leads them to do murder or rape? What I intend to say is that if humans have such imperfections, and if we are building systems, AI systems that are as intelligent as humans are, why can't AI systems be as culprit or have such, you know, mindsets as humans have? So to understand that, we have to identify the difference how AI systems are built and how human brain is, developed over the period of evolution. To start with this, we just don't have to limit ourselves to human brain's evolution, but we have to extend our observation uh, s- from the beginning of inception of living beings. See, the brain uh, that we observe has evolved observing that the culprit people, the you know the the mammals which has the mindset of snatching other mammals resources, killing other animals to eat them, murdering their same species to snatch their wives or resources. Human brains are observed that the brains which have such culprit mindset of uh, snatching others resources tend to have more prosperous life. That's the case which has been happening in wildlife where there is no specific law like human beings have. So, and that's the way human brains have evolved. The the prosperous people, the prosperous human species or mammals in general did have culprit mindset because they did such thing, right? So it is kind of obvious that it will be going to happen that human brains that we have right now does have such mindset of getting, there is a word, I don't remember, it's a Sanskrit word, kam, which is getting jealous of others resources or achievement. So human does have that sense. Okay, so so in this way, an intelligent system like human, which is built by evolution, going to have such sort of mindset. But so the thing is, if I have to create a, a boy named Others, if he is going to be built by normal reproductive childbirth, he is also going to have that culprit mindset. Okay, but if I am going to build a person named Chandan who is not uh, who is not created through usual reproductive childbirth, but instead it is built by uh, built out of scratch by human hand. It's fully under the control of the builder of that Chandan named boy. What sort of mindset Chandan is going to have? I'm making sense, right? I'm not claiming that I have developed a way to build human beings out of scratch just by adding up cells. I'm not claiming that, but you know where we are heading to, right? While building AI models, we build the intelligence out of scratch, and we have full control on what sort of you know what sort of flexibility it has and what sort of regularization we add into the during the training, right? So it's not going to happen. Like, I want to give you an analogy. If you are trying to build a statue of Shiv Bhagwan, God Shiv, then it is not going to happen that it you end up building God Ganesh statue. That's not going to happen, right? So in same way, if I'm going to build an AI model which is only which is intelligent enough and is only taught to do this thing and not to do bad thing, and has such regularization in their code that is built into them, then it is not able to do such culprit things. It is not programmed to do such things. It is not programmed to break that law. Until and unless if I am a culprit guy and if I build an AI model which is programmed to be intelligent as well as to disrupt human species, then it is going to happen, right? But until and unless we regularize, uh, the ethics of building AI, it's not going to happen, right? So yeah, that's my take on why AI systems are not a thing to worry about, unless and until and unless uh, we we are sure that we are not teaching or programming them, or in a sense, while talking technically, we don't we give them regularization that they don't commit such sinful acts. We don't have to worry about it, right? So yeah, that's my take about this. Uh, if you are God Shiv's fan or God Ganesh fans, do not take other meaning of what examples I took earlier, right? Those instances where had nothing to do with what uh, you might be possibly thinking about. Anyway, leave that topic. And one more thing, and you might share your opinion uh, on this take, right? Through consulting various articles, you might link other articles about other philosophical or philosophers or computer scientists take on this question. But this is purely my take, and I'm open to listen to your opinions as well. So thank you everyone for being until now. See you on the next one.